CLSK stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is CleanSpark stock a buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. I am the only person in the stock trading space that's done 43,000 videos over 5 years, documented everything, so I have seen what's making me money and what's not. CLSK related, bro, it's just I began buying when it was like $7.90. Right, and here's the proof of me calling out this prediction, just so you don't think that I'm lying to you. At the time, it was already like 8th of May that time. And since then, it's been just doing its thing. And unironically, I'm looking to double down even more on this. Like, I don't know if you get it, but yesterday's prediction was like right here when it was made. And since then, it's been going phenomenal. If you don't believe me, here's the proof. Right, 20 hours ago, it was made pre-market when the price was already $12.54. And it was just very, very decent performance, man. I quite like it. Still gonna stick it with this here. It's a guaranteed plus 0R. Before that, I also got like a break even, but this is still pending, you know what I mean? So if you want to get my money making blueprint and insight and get my stay tuned with CLSK, click the first link in the description. It's free.